Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to the installation of officers. Golden Gate Commander number 16, year 2020. I'm Dennis Mahoney, the outgoing eminent commander. We had a very good year at what was the best thing about our year were the new knights who joined us this year. And the soon-to-be new knights are waiting to join us. They have come to us because they both wish to improve their knowledge in masonry, and they are very much attracted by the history and lore, as well as the ritual of the Knights Templar. And they're proud and pleased to be joining the Christian Order of Masonry. So we're looking forward to having more knightings this coming year and continuing to build the strength of our commandery and improving in all respects, including the impact that we have in masonry and in our communities. So I hope you enjoy the installation tonight, and I hope you get a chance to meet our newest members, whom I'm sure you'll recognize as they're installed. Thank you.
Dennis, kindly return to the east. No, really, not this one. You thought you were done with it all. We're reinstalling you, Commander. Installation's over.
No, that's not appropriate. What is this?
Dennis, I'd like to present you a certificate on behalf of the knights and members of our department. Congratulating you on your service as eminent commander. And it reads, to all whom it may concern, greetings. This is to certify that Sir Knight Dennis R. Mahoney is a past eminent commander of Knights Templar, having held the office of commander at Golden Gate Commandery number 16 upon the registry of the Grand Commandery of the California in the year of the order 901. Given under the hand and seal of this Grand Commandery this 31st day of December, AD 2019, AO 901, and it's signed both by myself and one of the two adjutants, Marty Plessy, who happens to be a past commander and member of Golden Gate 16. Dennis, it was a real pleasure to serve with you in Department 4 this year. You are an example of exactly what leadership should be in the appendant orders of Freemasonry, and I am so pleased to count you among my friends and among our order. Congratulations. It's my pleasure to introduce the installing team who will be accompanying me today. Acting as our installing prelate is Sir Knight David Jolliffe, a past commander of Golden Gate Commandery number 16. And the installing marshal is Sir Knight Nick Wace, who is a past commander of California Commandery number 1. Thank you, gentlemen, for accompanying me in this. Sir Knight Marshal. You will retire and conduct the officers into the assembly. During the course of today's ceremony, I will be referring to the commandery and calling them to attention. For that, I'm only referring to these Sir Knights in front of me who will occupy the ceremonial commandery. No need for the rest of you to stand up unless I ask the audience to rise. Commander, attention. Walk. Swords. let the officers take their stations, gentlemen.
Officers chosen, eastward face. Commander, present swords.
The audience will kindly join me in pledging allegiance to the flag of our country.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Knights of Demolay, you will kindly post the colors of our nation in their proper place in the east.
Commander, carry swords.
Join me in thanking these young men for their service. The audience may be seated.
Eminent Commander, I present to you for installation the duly chosen officers of this commander this certificate